A top-quality garage door opener provides the safety and convenience of arriving home to an open, well-lit garage. We spent hours researching the best garage door openers available online, evaluating ease of installation and use, functionality, and value. So let's take a look about best garage door opener in 2022. Number 5. Smart garage door opener comes with built-in MyQ technology to keep you connected and protected, open, close, and know the status of your garage door from anywhere with a smartphone with the MyQ app. Features and specifications. Space-saving design. Safety and security. Home connectivity with MyQ. Color, black. Pattern door opener.
Customer review is 4.5 out of 5.
Top number 4. Genie Chain Drive 753 4HPC Garage Door Opener. The Genie Chain Drive 750 Durable Chain Drive Garage Door Opener has a DC motor that provides the ultimate combination of reliability and strength. This garage door opener is packed with all of the latest technology at a reasonable price. For extra safety and added convenience, this Genie garage door opener features an integrated battery backup. That battery backup will power the garage door opener for up to 50 cycles when the main power is out. Features and specifications. Battery backup included. Strong and quiet. Easy to install. Garage door accessories. Strong chain drive system. Specifications. Color, black. Special feature, heavy duty, lightweight. Lock type, combination lock, keypad lock.
This product's customer review is 4.6 out of 5.
Number 3. Genie 7155 TKV Smart Garage Door Opener Stealth Drive Connect. The Stealth Drive Connect Smart Belt Drive Garage Door Opener with battery backup is an ultra-quiet garage door opener with a steel-reinforced belt, making it the ideal choice for homeowners where sound could be an issue. The integrated Aladdin Connect Wi-Fi smartphone technology allows your garage door to be part of your smart home, while app alerts keep you in control and your garage secure. Features and specifications. Features. Strong and quiet. Smart garage system. Battery backup included. Easy to install. Garage door accessories. Specifications. Compatible devices, smartphone. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Number of batteries, 5 lithium metal batteries required.
This product's customer review is 4.6 out of 5.
Top number 2. Chamberlain B970T Smart Garage Door Opener. The B970 is an ultra-quiet, super strong and durable steel-reinforced belt drive garage door opener engineered with smart technology to help you manage activities and simplify your life. Built to withstand extreme conditions, it's constructed with anti-vibration technology and precision engineered for years of reliability and smooth performance, perfect for attached garages. Powered by Chamberlain's lift power system, it delivers the maximum lifting capacity in the category. Features and specifications. Max lift power system. Wi-Fi enabled for MyQ. Ultra quiet belt drive. Battery backup. Color, blue. Customer review. This product got 4.8 out of 5. Top number 1. Genie Quiet Lift Connect Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener. The Genie Quiet Lift Connect Belt Drive Smart Garage Door Opener offers a DC motor paired with a steel-reinforced belt, making this quiet garage door opener the ideal choice for garages that are attached to living spaces. Plus, the integrated Aladdin Connect Wi-Fi smartphone technology allows your garage door to be part of your smart home. The Quiet Lift Connect comes equipped with IntelliCode rolling code technology that prevents unauthorized persons from gaining access. You will also enjoy the added conveniences of 2 pre-programmed 3-button garage door opener remotes for quicker setup, a wireless exterior keypad, and a wall control panel with an independent light button and vacation lock are also included for added security, so you can keep it in your cart. Let's take a look about features and specifications of the product. Features: ultra-quiet operation, smart garage system compatible with Alexa and AMP, Google Assistant, easy to install, 3/4 HPC power, garage door accessories. Specifications: batteries, 4 CR2 batteries are required. Style: quiet lift connect, Wi-Fi. Pattern door opener. Voltage: 120 volts. Horsepower: 0.75. Item model number: quiet lift connect model 3053 TKV. This product got customer review 4.7 out of 5.